Do you know if your marketing campaign actually had an impact? Hi, I'm Sean Copeland. I'm the VP of Data at Lyft & Co. Today I'm going to show you how you can evaluate your marketing campaign success using our Cohesion data platform. Cohesion is a 360-degree look at the cannabis consumer all in one platform. Let's dive into it. We're here on the Cohesion scorecard, and we're just going to go take a look at the brand module. We're going to see if your campaign had an impact on consumers' awareness of your brand. So here we can see the percentage of consumers who are aware of your brand month to month. Now we're going to take a look at the review module. Within the review module, we're going to see if the campaign that you ran had an impact on the average product rating. And again, you can see if average product rating changed over time. Maybe your product features resonated with your consumers. Finally, we're going to go to the receipt module. And this is where we're going to take a look to see if your campaign had an impact on the number of customers that your brand is attracting. So again, month to month, you can see whether your brand had an increase in customers. So now you know how to use Cohesion to evaluate the success of your marketing campaign. Visit lyftcobusiness.com for more information and to contact us for your personalized demo. Thanks for watching.